build our systems with the blowers to run 1 inch water column static pressure. A 1 inch round duct is going to deliver 125 cubic feet of air a minute. So it's really easy calculation. Remember 125 6-inch under at standard pressure. If I double that pressure to 2 inches of water column, that airflow coming out of that vent goes up to 132 CFM by doubling the pressure. More strain on the motor, more wattage you're using on standard motors, more stress, more strain. You're not getting the airflow that you thought you were going to get through there. Why are you doing this? You're having more noise, the blower's getting louder, the other vents are starting to whistle. It's not worth it. Let the system run, let the system breathe. Real estate agents always go they go location, location, location. We say airflow, airflow, airflow. 90% of the problems come back to airflow.